Easy. Up. Easy. Up. Sit. Sit. Down. Down.
You have to give her something.
Alright, so let me see if I can find a treat for her. Mason, come, Kevin, come. Okay, let's find a treat for you. Where is a treat for you? Where's a treat for you?
What is the treat?
Huh?
There?
Where?
In the table.
I'm looking. Ben should have some. But he doesn't seem to be having...
There's a plastic one there.
Where?
Is it a food?
No.
Behind the...
No. Come here, doggy! Come here, baby. Come here. Yeah, he's very friendly. Hey, Macy. Okay, I think I've had enough of you bouncing around. Macy, up. Sit.